z, z, z. You must be so surprised. Today, I want to talk about how to make the z sound. The reason why I've decided to make this video is because of my Korean students. One of my students shared one story with me, and it was about how mispronunciation led to miscommunication. His boss is fluent in English, but because she couldn't pronounce the z sound correctly, she was not understood. She thought she said zoo, but to others it was like Jew. In Korean, the z sound doesn't exist, so she applied the Korean sound onto English. Yeah, it's very natural, right? Okay, let's talk about how to make the z sound. Before I start to talk about that, what I have to say is I think most students are good at pronouncing sounds, right? And the s and the z sounds are appear. So if you can make the s sound, that means you can make the z sound. The difference is whether the sound is voiced or voiceless. And su sound is of course voiceless, and the z sound is voiced. Voiced sound is like we can feel the vibration here. We just need to vibrate our vocal cords. That's it. So anyhow, and to make the both sounds, what we have to do is your tongue doesn't touch anywhere, but it almost touches behind your front teeth, but does not touch completely. Very close, but not you should not touch your tongue, okay? And just you blow out some air, okay? Zzz, zzz, okay? All right, let's practice by using minimal pairs, okay? Zip, 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 voiced. Sue, zoo, sue, zoo. Okay. I personally believe, we don't need to speak like our native speaker, but when mispronunciation leads to miscommunication, it is a time when we have to focus on our pronunciation. Anyhow, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.